That is answer, yes or no? Pinayagan nyo ba?
Sandali po, hindi pa nasasagot muna yung tanong ko eh. Ay, kayo muna sumagot sa tanong ko. Kayo po ba ay game developer? Kayo ay enabler, promoter, and marketer ng online games? Kasi
Hindi po.
Mr. Chair, parang sila ngayon ang nagigisa eh. That's why I'd like to point out, ano po ba yung limited participation ninyo eh? Kasi ang PAGCOR po ang merong regulatory powers dito eh. Bakit hindi sila yung mauna na mag-regulate? Bakit po yung GCash ang dinidiin natin? Parang nakikita ko, we're all barking on the wrong tree. I just made a suggestion this morning but I did not expect na sila yung gigisahin natin. Hindi po sila yung operator eh. Ang kanila, sa akin pong pagkakaunawa, the participation of GCash occurs only at the point where lawful payment facilitation is performed. And GCash has employed stringent regulatory and compliance control. So, bakit sila yung receiving end? Dito lang naman ang punto. Let us be very reasonable here. Don't be harsh on anybody. Yung PAGCOR ang uunahin natin dito. Sila yung nag-breakdown ng regulation. If they cannot regulate their own accredited and approved online game operators, at sinasabi nila ngayon dito, Mr. Chair, ang problema yung pong mga illegal, bakit hindi po nyo puntahan ng mga platforms, Mr. PAGCOR? Eh, ang mga platforms, kabisado naman natin kung sino-sino sila. Ito yung Google Pay. Ito yung Amazon. Ito yung Facebook. Ito yung Twitter. Can you not go to them in the first place with the help of DICT? Doon kayo magsimula. That's the first layer.
Kami tapos sa PAGCOR.